Hello everyone. Thank you for the opportunity that have been given to me. My name is Sintika Jece Lumintang. I'm from class 6 MB 6 and now I will present about financial skills. What are finance skills? Finance skills are hard and soft skills that are used by those who work in the finance industry, including accountants, financial analysts, chief financial officers, underwriters, and finance managers, among others. It's important to note that each profession has its own individual skills requirements, but there are several skills that are still needed regardless of position or experience level. Finance skills are important to uphold financial practice and maintain financial stability within a business. Next, we have examples of finance skills. Analytical thinking. In the finance industry, analytical thinking is when a person can review data through data analysis to identify patterns, discrepancies, or additional funds within the company's finance. This skill can demonstrate to employers that you have the ability to view numbers in a more complex way. Verbal communication. In a finance position, you might be working with a team of other employees to identify risks, record financial data, or create a budgeting plan. You can communicate in a clear and concise manner to make sure that no one is misinformed. Persuasiveness. You might be in a position where you persuade your colleagues, managers, or business leaders about useful financial strategies and budgeting tactics that you believe are beneficial to the company. Using persuasion, you can help them understand your thoughts, processes, and why they can adopt your suggestions. Problem solving. Those in finance roles might be tasked with reacting to financial problems within a company. They also work with complex problems and use their skills to solve them effectively and quickly. You might find a way to pay off liabilities using available assets and other methods. Listening problem solving as a skill implies that you have the expertise to approach difficult financial situations. Decision making. In managerial and executive finance roles, you might be expected to make difficult decisions, including budget cuts, branch closings, and downsizing or investment choices that may potentially harm or benefit the company's finance. Decisions making demonstrates your ability to make educated business decisions. Detail-oriented. Being detail-oriented is an important skill for those in finance, as much of their work involves entering, analyzing, and calculating company data. It also includes working with financial reports, balance sheets, financial modeling, and financial statements. You can identify discrepancies in company data and can identify mistakes made in accounting calculation by listening detail-oriented as one of your skills. You're implying that you're an individual that can help a company maintain its financial accuracy. Financial planning. This is an industry-specific skill that implies your knowledge of financial planning for a company. It suggests to employers that you can create a comprehensive plan for short and long-term company goals and detailed plan for achieving and maintaining financial stability. This skill also includes financial reporting and financial analysis. Budgeting. This skill is important to those in accounting or executive finance positions. It implies your abilities to handle a large sum of money and divide it accordingly across an allotted period to the right areas of the company. Risk analysis. This skill suggests your ability to analyze a company's financial documents and identify potential risk factors to a company finance. This skill is useful to those in executive finance or risk management position. Cash flow management. This skill refers to your ability to monitor a company's cash at any given time. It also refers to your ability to project the amount of cash that's available to the company in the future. This skill is useful to those who work in accounting, credit analysis, and loan companies. Last, we have Miss Excel. As much of the financial documentation is completed via computer programs, you need to be skilled in the use of one or multiple software programs. By listening Miss Excel as a skill, you're implying that you understand how to use the program and you know how to organize financial data into a digital format. Okay, that's all my presentation about financial skills. Thank you.